what is the most usual symbol and what is the unit for the heat capacity of an object? Let's first understand what is heat capacity. For example, imagine there is a block of mass m. All right, there's a block of mass m, and you're heating it with some flame beneath this. And the amount of energy, how do you define heat capacity? As the amount of energy, right? Energy required by this block of mass m to raise its temperature by 1 degree Celsius, right? Only by 1 degree Celsius. How much heat energy, how much thermal energy you need to put into this block of mass m, such that you're gonna get the rise of temperature by 1 degree Celsius, right? So the most appropriate unit we can go with it will be the joules per degree Celsius. Okay, that's for the heat capacity. Now remember, we're not talking about specific heat capacity. We are only talking about heat capacity, right? For specific heat capacity, you need to incorporate the mass as well. But we are talking about heat capacity, so it's just joules per degree Celsius. Amount of energy you need to put in to raise the temperature by 1 degree Celsius. And the symbol is C, right? So we can go with the option A.